it up for Eastern Europe. First ever gala performance. First ever.
That spin was crazy.
Wow.
I hope we're all having an amazing time tonight. If you ever want to go back and watch these incredible performances, they will be available on YouTube a little later down the line, but you can look them up with Dance of China, Dance of Nepal, or even Dance of Mexico.
Yeah, but if you're on Google, that last one might be under the Dance of America.
You're
Google
right.
thing.
But we cannot overlook the significance of this incredible country, from the Dollaritas at Applebee's to the incredible destinations such as Cancun, Tulum, and New Mexico.
Oh, yeah. Well, you know what they say.
What do they say, Kane?
You don't know what they say? Good girls go to heaven, bad girls go to Cancun. You never heard that before?
Nobody says that.
People say that. He knows exactly what I'm talking about.
You know what he's talking about?
He knows. He knows. And anyways, New Mexico's a state, and it's in America. Yeah.
Clearly, we don't know what we're talking about, so why don't we introduce the choreographers? Please help me welcome Emma Esquivel Herrera and Camille Garcia to the stage.
Hola! I'm Camila.
And my name is Emma.
And we are so happy to be bringing Mexico to the Gala 2025 stage.
Today, we'll be taking you to a trip to the place where we both grew up in.
Reynosa, Tamaulipas, a city in the north of Mexico that borders Texas.
We will go from the traditional folklore of Jalisco to the party favorite music of cumbia,
to the tribal born of Monterrey, and finally some upbeat reggaeton. And before anything, muchas gracias a mi familia que me está viendo desde mi casa.
Gracias a mi familia también, que también me está viendo desde casa. Hola mamá, hola papá, a mis abuelitos y a mi hermana. Thank you so much to our amazing dancers who have been putting their whole heart into this. They, I don't even know what to say, guys. They have a surprise for you. It's so good.
Ey, ¿y cómo dice raza? ¡Viva México!
En la música norteña también no pueden faltar el ritmo de cumbia.
El sol está enojado porque no llega la luna. La luna se ha tardado, pues se fue a bailar la cumbia. Cumbia con la luna y cumbia con el sol. Cumbia con la reina de mi corazón.
Soy el pecador y voy a... Caigo a la que...
Son las 4:20.
Suena DJ Morpheus.
Y moviendo suavecito, sandungueando despacito, sacudiendo la cadera y meneando el ombliguito. Y moviendo suavecito, sandungueando despacito, sacudiendo la cadera y meneando ese culito. Ae, 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 moviendo la cadera. Ae, 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 con mi cumbia tribalera. Ae, 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 moviendo la cadera. Ae, 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 con mi cumbia tribalera. Pero ella se hace lo difícil en la mañana, que no se queda. Y
si pretende que funcione, se hace la santa, que nada espera. Es que tu boca sabe vino, hablas al ritmo de primavera.